Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So this is the look which I've created today. A little bit of shimmer in the eyes and everything. A little bit of glam look. That is what I've tried to create it for the first time for this YouTube channel. So I hope you guys like the video, and if you do like, please continue watching the video. You'll come to know what are the steps that have followed to complete this makeup look. So I really hope that you like the video. Please continue watching. So firstly we'll go with the eye makeup today. So I'm just applying concealer on my eyelid. This is from Wet n Wild. I have applied concealer on my eyelids. Now I'll just blend this out with a damp beauty blender. So once it is blended, I'll take a orange shade from my eyeshadow palette. So I'll place this orange eyeshadow on my crease line and blend it out completely. So you'll have to blend this in a circular or a windshield motion. So once I'm done blending with the orange color, now I'll take the black color from the same palette and put it towards my outer V. So again same, you have to just keep on blending the color so that it get merged. So again I'm taking the orange shade and again once again applying on my crease line. So once I'm done blending the orange and black eyeshadow, now what I'll do is towards my inner corner I'll just do a cut crease. So I've taken a concealer, same which I've applied on my eyelid, and I'll just crease it out. I'm doing this cut crease only to the half of my eyelid, not completely, so that I can apply the shimmer shade over there. So now you can see I'm taking a blue color shimmer shade from the same palette. So I'll be applying with a flat shader brush. Wherever I have applied the concealer on my eyelid, I'll just place it on that so that it gets sticked completely over there. And there should not be any fallout after that. Again, I'm just giving a final touch up to my eyelid with the shimmer and all the colors. As you can see, there is fallout of black eyeshadow on my face. So what I've did, I've taken that Garnier micellar water. I'm just putting that on a cloth and just rubbing it out so that I can continue with my remaining makeup as the eye makeup is completely done. I'm just taking out that fallen eyeshadow very gently. Do not rub your skin very harshly. You just remove it very gently. I'm also using a earbud to just clear it out completely. I think I've did a pretty good job for the first time. Yeah, so now I'm going with a moisturizer. So let's start with the base now. This is Nivea moisturizer. I'll apply it over my face and my neck and massage it gently again and leave it at least for 1 minute. So once I'm done with the moisturizer, I'll go with the sunscreen and again gently apply it on complete face and neck and again leave it for good 1 to 2 minutes. So next I'm applying foundation. Today I'm using this MAC foundation. I'm in the shade NC25. So I've just taken very little bit of foundation. Apply it all over your face and neck. And I'll be using a damp beauty sponge. So I'll just blend it out gently. So apply your foundation in a dabbing motion. Do not drag your foundation. And it is a full coverage foundation, so you apply little bit and you're good to go. And you don't have to use this foundation on a daily basis. Whenever you feel there is a special occasion or something like that, that time I suggest that you can go with a MAC foundation. Else you can go with a any other normal foundation like Maybelline or L'Oreal. Here I'm taking little bit more to apply over my neck. Now I'll blend this foundation all over my neck as well. Now I'm using a Swiss Beauty concealer. This is just to highlight my face. So you can see I'm just applying towards my eye and towards my nose bridge, towards my chin. I'll just apply and I'll just blend it out. Again, I'll be dabbing the product. I'm not moving the product. And now I'm taking a compact powder by Maybelline. So I'll just apply the compact powder wherever I've applied concealer, and you can apply it over completely over your face also. Now again I'm taking the same colors which I used to do my eye makeup. I'll just apply towards my lower lashes so that it looks more beautiful. So firstly I've taken orange shade and just applied it, and then I'll take the black shade and apply it as a slight kajal. You can tell it like a kajal, but I'm not applying towards the inner lids, just towards the outer lashes. I'm also applying on my eyelids to just give a liner effect from this same black eyeshadow. Now from the same palette I'm taking the blue shimmery shade. I'll just apply it towards my inner corner of my eyes so that it gives a shine and it makes your eyes feel more open up. And then I'm using this Sugar Cosmetic blush palette. I'm just taking the blush over here and just applying towards my apple of my cheeks. You can see once the blush is applied, the look changes completely. It just gives that plumpy and freshness look over your face. Now from the same palette, I'm taking the contour shade and I'm just applying towards my cheekbones. Very lightly, I'm just applying it. Next, I'm taking a highlighter from same Sugar Cosmetic and I'll be applying towards my high point of my face, like my nose bridge, my cheeks. The logic behind applying highlighter is very simple. Wherever the light hits on your face, you have to apply the highlighter there so that it gives a shine automatically whenever you move your face. So you can already see that the shine is so beautiful over the face. I'm also applying towards my eyebrow, below the eyebrow, so that it gives a highlighted look. I'm also applying on the bridge of my nose and on my chin so that it will automatically give you a glowy effect. And this makeup look is suitable for any of the night party which you go or any function which you attend. It looks very beautiful. Next, I'm taking a eyebrow gel and just applying over my eyebrows. And next, I'm taking a lipstick from Blue Heaven. This is a pink lipstick. You can also go with a nude lipstick. I mean, you can see now once the lipstick is applied, the look will change automatically. The complete look will change automatically. I'm also putting a earrings, small earrings, so that this goes with the dress and doesn't look too much because eye makeup is already bold in this look. So I just wanted to go with the very minimum jewelry, like just a earring. I mean, I already started loving this look, but there are two more important things which is not yet completed. Finally, we'll go with a makeup fixer. Again, this is from MAC Cosmetics. So I'll just spray it all over my face and let it dry. And also, you can dab it with a beauty sponge. And lastly, I'm just going with a eyeliner. This is from iTex Dazzler. I'm just drawing a very thin line. And also, I'm just applying mascara. I haven't applied it any false lashes here. If you want, you can definitely add up that also. And finally, the look is completed. And I was extremely happy with this look actually, because first time I've did the cut crease eyeshadow, and it turned pretty well, so I was extremely happy. And the other thing, if you like the video, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, and also do try this look out. It's very easy to do. And yeah, thank you so much for watching my videos.